In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the auto stop start feature on your F-150. Back in 2018, Ford made this standard across all models, but it can be annoying and also dangerous, especially if you're trying to merge into traffic from a stop, because there is a slight delay when you step on the accelerator. Now, there are 4 ways you can disable this. The first way, of course, is to hit that button every time you start your truck, but I'm guessing you want something a little more permanent, which brings me to the second way, where you have to unplug a wire underneath the dashboard. You'll see 3 connectors going into a white box, and you'll need to unplug the lowest connector. This controls the auto stop start button. One important note here, this connector also controls the lights for your trailer hitch, so make sure to plug it back in if you're towing something. But honestly, this is going to be the best option for most people. It's free and very easy to undo by just plugging it back in. You don't even need to pop the hood to install anything. The next option is to disable the auto stop start through FORScan, which is a diagnostic and programming software for Ford vehicles. With this software, you can edit things like your truck's lighting settings, read troubleshooting codes, and of course, disable the auto stop start feature. This does involve hooking your truck up to a computer, so if you're not very tech savvy, you might want to avoid this method. And the last option is to install a wiring harness that goes in between the connector of the stop start switch and the switch itself. Now, this does require you to remove a piece of trim around the screen, but when done carefully, it's not too complicated. Just make sure to get the correct model for your truck. Some of the auto stop start buttons are shared with the hazard lights, while others are standalone buttons, so it does depend on your trim level. I hope this helped. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.